So this is a really simple project to make. It's a ring keeper. It sells really well. It's one of my lower priced items that I stock at my craft shows and art shows. It makes really great practice for spindle work. So this is just a leftover piece of black walnut that I had from another project. It's just a little nub end of a spindle turning that I made. So you can shape these however you want. Just the keys that you want to keep is that you want the base to be as wide as you can make it so that it's heavy and it doesn't tip over. And then just make the stem part small enough that a ring will slip over top of it. Alright, so that's it for the shape. So all I'm going to do now is just part this off the lathe, and then it will be all ready to go. Alright, so I missed that catch, but that was pretty much it. Alright, so here's the completed ring keeper or ring holder, whichever you want to call it. All I had to do was I did a little sanding off the lathe to clean up the bottom. And that's pretty much it. These are really easy and really quick to make, and they sell really well at craft shows and art shows. One step I'll have left to do is just hit it with a quick coat of a water-based lacquer or polyurethane just to give it a little bit of protection, and then it'll be all ready.